Hello, it's Wednesday, a little bit after 11:30. A few trades that are popping up here, at least on the screen. I know I talked about oil yesterday. EIA came out with their numbers today. A little bit more of a build across the board through all the components: crude oil, gasoline, heating oil. But the real factor that is going to, in our opinion, move markets is going to be the OPEC meeting. That should come out tomorrow morning, early in the morning, on what they decide to do. The meeting was delayed for about 3 days, 4 days now, from Saudi Arabia as they're trying to get other nations to implement more cuts. Now, what we feel at this standpoint here, that we are going to see an extension of the production cuts from Saudi Arabia and the OPEC members, and there is a possibility that we could see an additional more cuts come down since we've seen oil be rather weak over the past, at least energy crude oil be weak over the last several weeks. So it wouldn't surprise us. You also have to remember too that the United States SPR reserve still needs to be refilled, and the fact that you have energy right now trading under $80, 76.90 right now. There's going to be, some refilling of those SPRs in the days and weeks to come here. So if we do see tomorrow morning OPEC come out and in not only an extension of the cuts, but we see further cuts, come down to the market, we could see oil turn around and come back and have a nice little comeback here. Now, how do you play that? We're looking at several different energy stocks. First, let's take a look at the VIX. You're seeing the VIX at 13 here. Normally, I like to do spreads, but I would rather play options here at this standpoint that are just calls or puts. Occidental is one that I like. Warren Buffett, very sad news yesterday that Charlie Munger had passed away at age 99. But Berkshire Hathaway owns a substantial portion of Occidental. Here's the chart on it. It's down, it's basically flat today. I could easily see this stock, if oil starts to get a nice little bit up here, we could see it go to the 64, 65 level in a very quick fashion. So some of the trades that we're going to do, at least today on it, at least Occidental, this is what I'm looking at. The calls going out to March, you've got a decent delta here of 44 cents per dollar. So if you get to the $64 level, you are going to see easily a $2 to $3 move on $4 move would be a $1.60 move on a $2.60 option. So that's a very nice percentage return here. So the 62.5 call options of March is what we have played. I picked up 20 of them already. So decent volume on it, 107 today. It's an open interest of 1,500. But that's one that I think could definitely work out. We're also looking at Marathon Petroleum also. But we do prefer at least Occidental at that standpoint. So you can take a look at the Marathon Petroleum chart here now. It's kind of really gone a little bit of nowhere for the last couple of months. So if we do start to see oil start to trend up over the days and the weeks to come, Marathon Petroleum will be one. I'm not doing a trade on that today, but that will be one that we will also do. But Occidental is definitely a place. Symbol is OXY. And again, the options that we did pick up today were the March 15th, 2024, 62.5 call option. $2.50 out of the money. Got a delta of 44 on it. We picked it up at $2.57. It's still right here at the midpoint. Okay, happy trading, everybody. Watch out for that OPEC announcement tomorrow regarding production cuts. Thanks.